Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. This stuffed eggplant recipe layer tender roasted eggplant with savory filling of ground beef, caramelized onions, fresh rosemary, sage and garlic, all tied together with tomato sauce and finished with Swiss cheese and aged Reggiano. Perfect for cozy dinner or a crowd-pleasing centerpiece dish. Hey, like and subscribe. Instruction: cut the eggplant in half lengthwise, score the flesh and scoop out the center, setting aside. In a skillet, heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil, add the diced red and white onion, rosemary and sage, saute until fragrant. Dice the scooped out eggplant and add it to the pan, cook until softened. Stir in the ground beef and cook through. Add the bread cubes and grated Reggiano cheese, mix well. In a separate pan, heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil, fry the garlic until golden, and strain tomato. Season with sea salt and pepper and simmer for 15 minutes until fragrant. Add the 3 liters of tomato sauce into the beef eggplant mixture, mix until combined. Brush the eggplant shell with olive oil, season with sea salt and pepper. Fill each half with the prepared mixture. Top with extra tomato sauce and Swiss cheese slice. Place on a parchment-lined sheet pan. Bake it at 370 Fahrenheit or 190 degrees for 1 hour until golden and tenders. Let's serve. Remove from oven, garnish as desired, and serve warm. Bon appetit!